Hi everyone, it's the Green Nurse, partnering with Project Act Africa. Basically today I'm going to talk shortly about how coronavirus and some other pandemics which have been hitting the world are connected to animals. In science we have a term called zoonotic diseases. Zoonotic diseases are the diseases that are transmitted from animals to people. Back then we had Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, which was transmitted from a certain species of camels to humans. And basically right about now, theories have been saying that this coronavirus must have been transmitted from bats to humans. Where am I pointing to? The consumption of those animals, consumption of products from those animals, raw products from those animals, consumption of undercooked products from those animals will absolutely lead to transmission of those diseases to humans. And by this pandemic really has really taught us about Mother Nature. It has really taught us that humans and Mother Nature have a connection, and humans and Mother Nature, we are supposed to coexist. This basically brings us to environmental conservation, climate conservation and all that. So basically, the fact that we are in quarantine, we are basically not experiencing those things of pollution, those things of environmental degradation. So what lesson do we really have to learn from this? Let's work hand in hand and conserve Mother Nature. These are ones of the lessons we are going to learn post this pandemic. Thank you for watching.